Hey, everybody, it's Eddie again from Tokyo. It's your second cryptocurrency update from Japan. Super rare for me to do two videos in a day, but I just couldn't leave you with the last story, knowing that this story just broke from Bloomberg and the US launches criminal probe into Bitcoin price manipulation. In the last video, I was just giving you a message of hang in there and have patience, and all the news is good. But unfortunately, this one is going to put some sticks in the spokes. The Justice Department has opened a criminal probe into whether traders are manipulating the price of Bitcoin and other digital currencies, dramatically ratcheting up U.S. scrutiny of red-hot markets that critics say are rife with misconduct, according to four people familiar with the matter. The investigation is focused on illegal practices that can influence prices, such as spoofing or flooding the market with fake orders to trick other traders into buying or selling, said the people, who asked not to be identified because the review is private. Federal prosecutors are working with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, a financial regulator that oversees derivatives tied to Bitcoin, the people said. So, four people. We don't know who they are. I think they have been promised to keep their identities secret in cooperating. That's probably a situation of whistleblowers. My guess is they are from an exchange or maybe a couple of exchanges. If they have launched this probe, where there is smoke, there is probably fire. Authorities worry that virtual currencies are susceptible to fraud for multiple reasons: skepticism that all exchanges are actively pursuing cheaters, wild price swings that could make it easy to push valuations around, and a lack of regulations, like the ones that govern stocks and other assets. So, Bitcoin extended its Thursday declines after Bloomberg News reported the investigation and was down 3% to 74.09 as of 9:32 a.m. London time. It's down more than 20% since a May 4th peak. Such concerns have prompted China to ban cryptocurrency exchanges and nations including Japan and the Philippines to regulate them, contributing to the slump that has sent Bitcoin below 8,000 this year. Still, digital coins continue to be a global investment craze, drawing legions of loyalists to industry conferences, generating celebrity endorsements, and increasingly attracting the attention of Wall Street. Well, I think that let's just continue a little bit more. The illicit tactics that the Justice Department is looking into include spoofing and wash trading, forms of cheating, and regulators have spent years trying to root out of futures and equity markets, the people said. In spoofing, a trader submits a spat of orders and then cancels them once the price moves in the desired direction. So that's why you'll see a lot of buy orders, but then as the price gets close to those orders, they will just cancel those orders. And yeah, I really think that this has been happening because we can see those buy orders are there. Wash trades involve a cheater trading with herself to give a false impression of market demand that allures others to dive into coins. Prosecutors are examining include Bitcoin and Ether, the people said. Sounds like that there is real credible inside information as to what was going on. A Justice Department spokesman declined to comment, and the CFTC officials didn't respond to requests for comment. Well, that's to be expected. Spoofing is a silly name for a serious market rigging. And so it goes on to tell about a quick tale and kind of some history about the price of Bitcoin since December. So here's one at the end of the article. The Winklevoss twins, who are known for getting rich off Facebook Inc., hired Nasdaq Inc. last month to conduct surveillance of digital coins trading on their exchange, Gemini Trust Co. So Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, have also urged trading platforms to band together to form a group that would serve as a self-regulator for the industry. That's exactly what has happened here in Japan, is that the exchanges who have been licensed have formed a group, and they are working as a self-regulator, and also with open communication and um, uh, compliance with the FSA, which is the Financial Service Agency, which falls under the Ministry of Finance here in Japan. So I think that it's working for Japan. I, hope that maybe Japan can be that template so that we can have a safe trading platform throughout all the crypto exchanges. I This is my take on this story. This is definitely going to be a short-term problem. I don't think it's going to be a long-term problem, because I think now that we have a possible chance of catching these manipulators, this will probably do a couple of things. It'll probably push a little more regulation through, but I don't think that is going to be a bad thing in this case. It'll probably also um, help the market gain more trust, so the financial investors will feel that the space is safe. I mean, if they think that it's being manipulated and rigged, they're going to stay on the sidelines, and we just need to have some trust and safety in order for this space to grow organically. So I think in the long run, this is going to help the space. I think in the short term, we're going to take a little bit of a price hit, because people are going to use this as a real negative, and a kind of "I told you so" stay out of this space story. So where are we right now? Let's see. Where are we at? We're at 73.48, and I've got the technicals up. Let's just take a look at the minute by minute. Yeah, it's weak. It's very weak, and the RSI is at 48. So I think I just wanted to get this story out there to give you a heads up. And I am sorry to be the bearer of bad news if it's the first time you heard this story. However, I think in the long run, it's going to be a positive. All right, everybody, do take care, and I will be talking to you soon. Okay, thanks. Sayonara for now. Bye bye.